Welcome everyone. This is Ken with Ken's Pipe Repair and Restorations. I wanted to show you this pipe that I got in yesterday. It's a Savinella Extra, and it is a 324KS. This is a pipe we're going to be working on, and I'm going to be sharing in videos with everybody, and I hope that you will tune in and work along with us, and maybe we can all learn a little something. I hope so. This pipe is not really in that bad a shape. It shouldn't be a major problem, and biggest thing is just more or less a cleanup. Uh, as you can see, we have a stem that somebody looks like maybe had a rubber tip on it for a long period of time and then taking it off. And there's a lot of build up on the stem, oxidation, and then we're going to be also, as you can see, the inside of the bowl. We're going to be cleaning out the inside of the bowl. Now this bowl is a little larger bowl than my tools will work with. My clean ream and my buttoner won't work with it. So I'm going to have to use a dowel rod and some sandpaper on the inside of it. Take it slow and easy so as not to mess up the bowl. But to take out the most of this cake, I may or may not take it down and recoat the inside of it with a new coating, protective coating. I like to use a honey and activated charcoal on the inside on a naked bowl, but hopefully that won't be necessary. And you can see, the top, it needs retopping, so we're going to be doing a retopping also. Now retopping is basically putting the sandpaper flat, taking the bowl, holding it flat, and just working it. Now I can do it on a mechanical sander, but I had rather do it no worse than this one is. I had rather do it by hand on a piece of sandpaper and work it slow. That way I don't take too much off and don't run a risk of actually getting the bowl off levels, so to say, or messing up the top of the bowl. Now, also, I will be retorquing this pipe with my retorque, which is basically hooking up to the end of the pipe with my hose and my retorque and cleaning it out with a alcohol. That'll be interesting, and I will also show that process as we go along. Basically, when we get through with the pipe, we will have a good clean pipe, good sanitized pipe that anybody would be proud to own or have in their collection, plus a pipe that's safe to smoke. Also, I plan in future videos, maybe after this one, I'm not really sure, depends on what I have in to restore. But we see this stem, and we see the bite has been just totally demolished there. It's broke out, and it's just a mess there. Well, the proper thing to do would be just put a new stem in. But I want to show people that, because I see a lot of stems, just broken stems and bites that's messed up and what have you, that people just don't know how to fix. And lots of times you can save a stem and save yourself a little money. Something like this stem would probably, unless you're going to do the work yourself, would probably be just as justifiable to go ahead and replace it. But I do want to show you how to repair it. This stem can be repaired. The process is slow, and it's not that complicated of a process, but it is a slow process. I use a little different materials than what most people would think or most people would even think of using. When I get through with the stem, this stem will look like new. It will be solid and will last many, many years if the person takes care of it and don't chew it out again. However, I'm just doing it. I will just be doing that to show the procedure and show that it can be done without a whole lot of problem. Now, I have other projects coming up that I'm be sharing with you, and so that way, I hope that y'all will stay tuned, keep checking in, and watch as we move along. Maybe I can share something that will help you, or maybe you could help me in a way. I do appreciate each and every one of you. Subscribe if you will. Check me out on Facebook, Ken's Pipe Repair and Restoration. I will leave a link in the notes. And until we get started on this project, I wish everybody a happy smoking, and I hope everyone stays well and stays safe.